Hi friends, it's Velvet. I am here with just a little haul. As you can see, I still have my book on my desk, and that's because I just finished the cover and did the and showed it to you in the last video. So I just I have just a few things from Temu. Just make sure that's everything. I'm missing something. I got this tight weave burlap. I had no idea that it was this long. This is like, what is it? Like 18 inches long, I guess? A little bit more, 20 inches long. Sorry, apologies for the noise, but I do want to show you what it's like. So, that's pretty cool, huh? I've got to remember before I cut it to put either tape down or some hot glue or something so that it doesn't fray all over the place. Because see, if you pull one of these, the whole thread's going to come off. I made that mistake in another one that I did. Burlap. Did I call that burlap? Is that burlap? I can't think of what it is. Packaging doesn't help. But it's cool. You get quite a bit. Oh gosh, did I just hit you? I'm sorry. You get quite a bit. It was pretty inexpensive, so I'm pleased with that. This is just a thing to hold my paintbrushes as I'm painting, because I was using my paint cup, wherever it is. It's a little blue paint cup. I don't see it. It's here somewhere. And it was getting in the way of me actually rinsing off the brushes. I like that it goes up on the side to catch the paint that drips. You can wipe it along here. I'm not going to try and get that undone. This is, it's like you could use it to sharpen. I wanted to try it when I'm covering chipboard with paper to sand the side of it, and I don't have anything handy that I could use right now, but I suppose I could kind of, so that's what I was hoping to use it for. I didn't spend a lot on it, so I'm not terribly worried about whether it works or not. I mean, I am. Nobody likes to throw away money, right? This is some more lace, because, you know me and the lace. But this is a thicker one, or wider, and that's what I wanted. And I'm hoping to coffee dye this and then use it on journal covers and or clusters, lace clusters. And then I got these. I think this is just a ribbon. Yeah, but you cut them apart. So, isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that look nice on a journal cover with that lace? You know, this would be coffee dyed, so it'd be a nice contrast that wouldn't fade into the background. I am going to put this back into the packaging because I don't want it to get hung up on something else. Now this thing I haven't even opened, but I bit the bullet and bought it, hoping that it would work. All right, so this is a cutter that's got different lines on it. Why is this out? I don't think we want that out, because that kind of tells you where it's going to cut, eh? Why is this not working? It's just not good. You can see the green through those. You cannot see the green through this one. It's got just a little, see that little doodad right there? Almost looks like it's not up high enough. The rest of them are fine. Oh, I hate having to do stuff that should already be perfect when it arrives to you. No, that's not going to help me, is it? If you stick something in there... Now, how do I... All right, there must be a way to get this... Yeah, because you got to get your paper into... Okay, are there directions? It did not come with directions. But let's just say that goes in. How do you get, like, do you just really just do that? All right, so now that would produce this squiggly line. Can you see that? Once you get your paper in. But I'm just not liking the fact that that does not want to go in there. Of course, I lack strength in my hands. All right, well, I'll figure it out. But let's just take, I'm gonna take a piece of scrap paper, but I don't really have, oh, I do have something. Let's try this. So here's the thing. It's got to go above this. So you have to get this in there, don't you? You really do. And I feel like I'm being an idiot because this has to be able to come up, right? It's gotta. I'm not quite understanding. Okay. All right, there it's in. And I guess you put it up against that. Wait a minute. How do you actually make the cut? Where's the cutter thing? Oh, I am so confused. I'm going to have to try and find some information on this thing. Does it, like... I don't understand. Yeah, I'm not quite understanding this. Does anyone know what this, how this works? So yeah, you put this in, but then what? You know? Like, seriously, then what? Where's the scissor? Am I missing something? Let me see. There's absolutely nothing left in this bag. It wasn't well sealed when it arrived, but it was sealed. And this is the bag that everything arrived in, and there's nothing left in it. I'm stumped, folks. I am stumped as to how this little doodad works. I'll have to look at the page that it's on and see how you work this thing. I can't think for the life of me what, like, even if you put a blade in here, it would just cut straight, you know? Because something's got to attach to that, right? Oh, this is just so weird. It turns well. Oh, it hurts my hand. Let me try this way. I'll show you what it looks like when it turns. And each slot, each thing has the slots there. I don't see where anything opens up that has any blades in it. This doesn't, well, no, wait a minute. Are the blades under here? I'm so confused. Does anyone out there have this? And if so, how does it work? And how do you keep this green thing down? Because it kind of seems like it should be kept down. All right, well, I'm going to play with that. That's it for my haul. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Take care. Bye.